Step inside an amazing art installation that's a funhouse for adults and kids. And try Opera Tailgating, all in artsy Santa Fe. Here's a look at 3 not-to-miss experiences for lovers of arts and culture that just may blow your mind. Get your creative juices flowing at Meow Wolf, a 20,000 square foot experiential art installation travelers can visit and explore. Founder Vince Kudlebeck takes me on an insider's tour of the House of Eternal Return.
The concept is that there's this family that lives in this house, and some event has occurred that broke time and space. And so there's these like secret passageways, like these wormholes that then lead people into these other dimensions. And so we really wanted to create the sense that like you're going from one dimension to another with all of these different spaces.
So we are time traveling today.
Yeah.
Time traveling through spaces where artists have used video, audio, painting, writing, and other mediums to tell a sort of bizarre and very creative story. One that inspires freedom of the arts for big kids and small.
Take it out.
We've heard of tailgating for football, but tailgating at the opera? The Santa Fe Opera's stunning open-air theater buzzes indoors and outside during opera season. And as director Charles McKay explains,
people can get really serious about opera tailgating because people can do it in the theme of the production that evening. People have elaborate chandeliers and tables all set with linen and fine crystal. People always enjoy something that is a little bit different when they can express themselves and be in a beautiful setting and have a good time.
Heading north out of Santa Fe, spend the day in a community that's a pilgrimage site for many Catholics, as well as being home to generations of weavers like Robert Ortega, whose workshop workout creates impressive results.
So this knowledge of the weaving was brought to this area from Spain when this area was settled in the 1700s.
This is a full body workout.
Yeah.
Just a few of the destinations in and around Santa Fe that those with an eye for art and an ear for music may want to add to their travel list.